If you have been feeling like you just need to get away, somewhere quiet, green, and far from the noise, then this video is for you. Today we are heading to Pollachi and more specifically to a resort called Coco Lagoon, and honestly, it might just be the staycation you didn't know you needed. Pollachi is about 55 kilometers from Coimbatore, and as you leave the city behind and get closer to the resort, you'll notice the landscape changing. There's ample space for parking, so you can comfortably park your cars, vans, even buses, and there's valet parking available too. Coco Lagoon is genuinely made for people who want to slow down. Whether it's a couple looking for a quiet getaway, or a family wanting a comfortable staycation, or you're just group of friends just wanting to go somewhere beautiful together, this place delivers. We stayed in the executive room. It's a proper suite style setup that feels very thoughtfully designed. You walk in and you're first greeted by a lounge area, a comfortable space to sit, relax, read, watch TV. There's also a dining cum workstation there. And from there, you move into the bedroom, which has a queen size bed, well maintained and clean, and also has a workstation. The room also has a walk in wardrobe right in the bathroom, which gives the whole space a premium, well organized feel. The lounge area and bedroom opens into the green veranda. You can just step out, touch grass, and enjoy the beautiful view. The room pricing starts at 7,000 for the executive room, and the extra beds can be arranged for an additional cost. Now, Coco Lagoon isn't the kind of resort where you're rushing from one activity to the next. It's slower and more intentional, but they also have activities to keep you engaged. You will be given a list of activities and you can choose from this list. You have cycle riding for both kids and adults, pot making, where someone guides you through shaping your own pot. It sounds like a small thing, but it was surprisingly fun and very therapeutic. There is pedal boating and bullock cart ride. We were looking forward to the bullock cart ride. It was supposed to take us on a roughly 1 kilometer loop around the resort, but when we visited, the ride wasn't available because the car wasn't well. So that was a bit of a miss for us. This is the campfire and amphitheater setup, so if you go with your friends, you're going to have a lot of fun here. But the absolute highlight of the trip, and I cannot stress this enough, is the river visit. The resort takes you to a nearby river with a guide, and you can spend an hour or two just being in the water. If you're going with friends and family, do not skip this and just make sure you enjoy it safely. Now let's talk about food. I have to be honest, the food genuinely surprised me. With resorts, you often expect either a limited menu or a food that's just meh, but here the food was really good. The flavors were on point, and it felt like they actually put in the care in what they were serving. One thing that really stood out throughout the stay was the people. The staff at Coco Lagoon are genuinely warm and friendly, not in a rehearsed, hotel train kind of way, but in a genuine way where they actually want to help you. The rooms are kept clean and well maintained, so it always feels fresh when you walk in. And honestly, beyond the cleanliness, it's the warmth of the people there that stays with you. And good service really has a way of elevating the place. Couple of honest notes though. The sports facilities are limited, so if you're expecting a packed activity schedule with lots of adventure sports, this might not fully meet your expectations. Also, note that the swimming pool is located right by the dining area. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're someone who expects a bit of privacy, then this might be a little bit of a setback. So, if you are based in Coimbatore or anywhere nearby and you're looking for a place to truly switch off, then do consider Coco Lagoon. For a 2-day staycation or even a longer stay, this resort is absolutely worth it. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how your experience was. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe and share it with someone who needs a break. I'll see you in the next one.